Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to display your elevation, your speed, and all other good stuff in your Garmin Nuvi 1300, 1350, 1400, 1450, and other similar model GPS units. Now, under normal conditions, your GPS will only display your speed. If you want to see the rest of the information, you have to click on it. But what we are going to learn today is how to permanently display this information on your GPS screen as you're driving, so you don't have to click on anything. So let's get on it and see how do we do this. So under normal condition on your Garmin Nuvi 1200, 1300 and 1400 series GPS units, as you click on the map, it only shows your speed. In order to see your additional information, you have to click on speed, and now you have your mileage, you have your elevation, moving time, maximum speed, and all the good stuff, right? Now, what are we going to learn today is how to have this have all these information displayed at once, so you don't have to click on it. Okay, to do that, here is how we activate that. First, we go to Tools, then we go to Settings, then we go to Map, then we scroll down and we go to Standard and change it to More Data. Now we click on OK and go back and click here, and voila, we have our direction of travel, which is driving north, our elevation, our time, and our speed all displayed at once without us having to click on anything. Now, if you want to switch back to the standard layout like we used to had before, we click here, we click on Tools, click on Settings, click on Map, down, click on More Data, choose Standard, OK, and you're done. Now if I go here, you will have just the layout that you used to have. Now the benefit of the original standard layout is, of course, that you have more map real estate. So basically your map is much wider and bigger and you can see better. However, for additional information on your speed and time and elevation, you have to click there, click here when you don't have to click with the other setup. So I hope this was educational. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.